Okay, Will Perry,
Yes.
present yourself to those who don't know you.
Yeah, my name is Will Perry. I'm from the United States, and I play basketball.
Okay, thank you. And Will Perry, why you decided to come to Burundi?
Man, to be honest, I was usually in July this month. I'm not doing anything. I'm home with my family. It's considered like the off season. But somebody called me and said, hey, you have an opportunity to go play in the playoffs of Burundi. And so it's either sit at home or come play and find out about a new country. So that's why I came here.
Oh, that's good. Have you before heard about Burundi?
Yes, the only reason I heard about Burundi is because in the ball qualifications, I played against Urani. So the last 2 years I was playing with Viario, a team that was in ball qualifiers, and we played against Urani. So I heard about Burundi just because of that.
Before coming to Dynamo, how many clubs have you played?
8.
8 clubs?
Yeah, eight clubs.
Country?
6.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
29.
29?
Yes.
8 clubs, 6 country.
Yeah.
That's a massive experience for you.
Yeah, I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere.
Tell us, how have you seen the level of the League of Burundi?
Man, listen, Burundi players are very good, like really high level players, but they have a problem. There's no structure, you know? There's no court, there's no roof on the court, you know, you play outside, bad conditions. You know, I don't know, maybe it's gonna improve, but right now it's difficult. The league is difficult to move up because of that. But the players are great players. They play good, they're tough. So that's the best part about it, that the players are good.
Which player have you impressed you the most?
On our team, I like Richard a lot. He's a really good player, really smart. Yorani has really good players. I don't know the name, Gibe is very good.
Yeah, the point guard of
Point guard, he's good. So a lot of guys are good players, man.
To those who didn't see you play, how did you describe yourself, your quality?
Yeah, I think I'm a point guard that's smart. I like to make my teammates better. I like to win, so basically I just try to win, man. I don't really care too much about stats. Some games maybe I score, some games no. Some games I pass more, you know. Some games I play defense better, but I think I'm just a winning point guard. That's the best way to describe myself.
Hey, too fast for me. Not going to see that. I'm too small for you. Let's do. Oh, when you're a point guard, your first vision is to score or to give a pass?
In my opinion, give a pass. You have to read the game, like what the defense is doing and how your teammates are playing. If I have one teammate that's playing well and shooting good threes, then I try to penetrate and pass to him. You know, if I have one really good big man on my team, I slow the game down, pass inside, like Urani does. I think you just have to read the game. Every game is different.
There's a game we saw you scoring at the, what we can say, from the logo or from the half. How have you imagined to score at the half?
I don't know. It's a little bit of luck, to be honest, man, because I just throw it up there and it goes in.
It was a bit of luck, or it was...
Of course, I'm a good shooter, so I have a good accuracy, especially after I make a few in a row. The next one I feel really confident in. But man, I mean, it's a half-court shot. You know, Steph Curry even miss half-court shot, sometimes miss. So
there's another time that we saw you scoring threes, and you say, oh.
I think like when I hit a few threes in a row, or when I'm feeling good, I like to say like Damian Lillard, it's time. He calls it Dame time. I like to say it's time. Let's go. You know.
Just
something to be excited about.
And how do you see the atmosphere or the crowd of Burundi when they are going to the match?
Amazing, amazing. They seem like they really know basketball and they love it. So what can I say? It's amazing. They're great people, great fans. I play in some places in like Europe that have great fans, man. But definitely have never seen fans that stand like really close to the courts, you know, and they run on the courts and they throw, you know, like I never seen that. But you know, there's some great fans around the world that I've played in front of. But Burundi is definitely a different place.
If Dynamo win, you come again to play for them in road to ball or in the ball if they manage to win?
I don't know. I have to see because, you know, they have to want me first. So if they want me, maybe.
If they want you, it will be your first choice?
I don't know. I'll have to look at my options, you know, because I've been playing the last 2 years with another club, of course, as you know, Biragoye. So I have to see, you know, my options and, you know, figure out what I'm going to do. I have a service company. I call it Will Perry Hoops. It's for training kids. I've been doing it for some years now. And I have my dad has an agency that we help we help players become professional, you know? So it's called Will Perry Hoops and Perry Management Group. So yeah, man, I try to help kids as much as I can. And I try to help players that are coming from university in America play professionally.
So you said that you help kids?
Yes.
Burundi, you have kids that play basketball?
Yeah.
Are you going to help them or?
I'd love to, man, I'd love to. I think they had a camp here like a couple weeks ago. I was here talking to some kids. So yeah, of course, anytime I can help, I like to help. The key is having a good coach early. You know, the key is when you're a young player, 12 years old, 11 years old, whatever, whenever you start, having a good coach. If you don't have a good coach, then it's really hard to learn. So that's what I try to do to kids in America, try to help them early, learn the game and, you know, improve.
Now there's a word that you're gonna share with us to the young kids or the young point guard who wish to be a point guard. Okay. Which quality can they develop to be a good point guard?
I think for sure you gotta start with up here, man. I think that especially in Africa, the kids have the physical ability. They jump high, they can run fast, you know, they have good skills. But the problem is here, they don't think the game. And you know, you don't need to listen to what everybody say, oh, this, blah. You need to just find a good coach, a good mentor, all right? And focus on learning the game and learn what to do with the ball, learn how to play with your teammates, and learn how to be a good, you know, point guard for your team. It's really important.
Let's do. Oh. Man, slow.
All right, one more, ready?
Okay, yeah.
3-0, man.